12 Low-maintenance perennial plants. Yarrow grows to be a couple of feet tall with fern-like foliage. The summer blooms can be white, yellow, pink, and red. Yarrow is tolerant to drought, so you'll have gorgeous flowers even during dry summers or when you've forgotten to water. Hardy to zones 3 through 9. These late spring to early summer blooms feature muted pinks and reds. Growing from 1 to 4 feet tall, they are a good fit in a shady space. Add them for delicate blooms and beautiful color with little to no maintenance required. Hardy to zones 4 through 8. Even in poor soil and drought conditions, Sedum perennials bring an array of colorful flowers to the fall garden. Look for autumn charm and autumn fire varieties for rich color and a 2 to 3 feet spread. Hardy to zones 3 through 9. A true garden workhorse, thyme is good for just about everything. Herbal in culinary and medicinal preparations, thyme is excellent for kitchen gardens. It also creeps along the ground, making it a good choice where you need a ground cover crop. Or, trim it back to make it more mounded. Fragrant with delicate blooms, thyme is beautiful in any capacity. Grow from a starter for the most low-maintenance establishment. Hardy to zones 5 through 9, depending on the variety. For the look and maintenance level of wildflowers, use Baptisia to fill spaces in the garden or edible landscape. Yellows, blues, and purples on tall 2 to 4 feet spikes bring lots of colors. Plant in light shade for early spring blooms. Hardy to zones 3 through 9. These daisy-like flowers are gorgeous year after year without much tending. Expect summer and fall blooms at 1 to 3 feet tall, with good drought tolerance. Hardy to zones 3 through 9. Also known as the coneflower, Echinacea is excellent both medicinally and aesthetically. Another with flowers reminiscent of daisies, Echinacea will grow 2 to 4 feet tall and tolerate drought well. Hardy to zones 3 through 8. Daylilies are staples in a perennial garden. Beautiful in shady areas, each stalk will produce several lily-like flowers and lots of fine grass-like foliage. Drought-tolerant and hardy to zones 3 through 9. For beautiful foliage and a low-maintenance plant, hostas are a given. Not only are the leaves detailed and colorful, but the flowers that they spike attract hummingbirds and look lovely in the shade. Do watch out for slugs, though, as hostas tend to attract them. Hardy to zones 3 through 8. Grown for beautiful flowers and thin foliage, expect these to grow 1 to 3 feet tall in any place from part shade to full sun. These like moist soil, so place them next to water features to keep them low maintenance. Hardy to zones 2 through 9. Catmint grows from 1.5 to 3 feet tall, bursting with violet-blue flowers in the spring and summer. For an extra flush of blooms, cut it back after the first round of flowering. Hardy to zones 3 through 8. Sage plants are low maintenance once established, a drought-tolerant and deliciously fragrant addition to the garden. Look for summer blooms and growth up to 4 feet tall. Hardy to zones 4 through 7. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.